Meaning of inelegantly.
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 Inelegantly. The word inelegantly can be defined as the opposite of graceful or elegant, often referring to actions or behaviors that lack refinement or sophistication. It suggests clumsiness, awkwardness, or a lack of finesse in one's manner of doing something. To illustrate this, imagine a person trying to dance but constantly stepping on their own feet or bumping into others. Their movements would be considered inelegant and lacking fluidity. In summary, the use of inelegantly implies a lack of grace or poise in the way an action is performed.